Hey there, check out the SereneLife lightweight and foldable kick scooter, designed for teens and adults with a comfortable T-bar handlebar and adjustable height settings. This scooter features a durable alloy deck that supports riders up to 220 pounds, perfect for ages 7 and up, and its folding design makes storage and transport simple, with foldable handles and a carrying strap. Enjoy a smooth ride thanks to 8-inch wheels with ABEC 7 bearings that handle uneven surfaces easily, plus a mudguard front wheel and rear flashing light for added safety. Maneuver effortlessly with advanced steering control and a rear PU wheel foot brake with reflection for secure stops. The adjustable T-bar handlebar offers 3 height options for customized comfort, secured by a strong anodized clamp collar. Whether indoors or outdoors, this scooter ensures fun and reliable performance every time. Get ready to ride with confidence and style on the versatile SereneLife kick scooter. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.